I am landed in an excellent food court and I can see India Palace, Indian restaurant, Boobi, Iran Zameen, I think Iranian, Doner, Turkish. So it is truly cosmopolitan Dubai. And Umami, India, Japanese food, Umami, India Palace, Philly Steaks, vegan burger, Chinese. See, Kazun Grill, so everything. Food all from all over the world. McDonald's, excellent food court. One of the largest and one of the burger, 100% plant. Chinese Palace. I saw the rates in Indian restaurant, very high, 40 dinars for veg biryani. So I would rather go out and eat somewhere, not here. So not in Dubai Mall or not in Burj Khalifa, because it is very, very expensive. Kazun Grill. So Subway I can see. Yesterday I had lunch in Subway. So today I don't want to do the same thing. I will eat something. I would rather eat something else different. Mabless Seeds. See how big it is. One of the biggest food courts I have ever seen. At least I have ever seen. Caribbean coffee, donuts, Krispy Kreme donuts and coffee. Excellent. Pete's Coffee. See how beautiful it is. Starbucks, KFC, Pizza Hut. So whatever brand you say, it is there here. I want to go out as quickly as possible to have my lunch. Zozu, Lebanese, Turkish restaurant. Batil, I don't know, Batil maybe Iranian. I'm not sure. Sorry, Arabian, not Iranian. Hafiz Mustafa. Maybe Turkish. So what I have to do now? I have to take metro and go to Dubai Frame, my next destination. So between here and Dubai Frame, if I find any restaurant, Indian, so then I would definitely eat there. Lebanese cuisine, Wafi Gourmet. Nando's. We find it in UK. This is the view from second floor. I came to second floor now because I am going to Dubai Frame by using Dubai Metro. So I spoke to one tour guide. So from Rena, which I took 3 days tour with them. So I have to go to Max station, metro station. From there it is just petrol station and walkable. From Max metro station, it is on red line. So this is also on red line Dubai Mall. So no need to change the line. I just continue with the red line. So now I have to check. So now I have to check how to go to metro. It is almost like 1 kilometer walk within this air-conditioned Dubai Mall to metro. There is a path, Jumbo, see big electronic shop, Samsung. You can see Dubai Metro, Fashion Avenue, Fashion Catwalk. So now I am going to Adidas, Deer shop, Foot Locker, Virgin, all excellent brands, world-class brands. See the lifts. So this might be the 5-6 times bigger than largest mall in Hyderabad. I think so. I have to check. I have to Google it. So this is one more section. You can see, I think, biggest chandeliers in my life I have ever seen. See how big it is, chandeliers. This is also 2 floors, G+2, and excellent. There's, I think there are all sections like this, different buildings and connected. And each building is like a mini, shopping mall. This shopping mall, not mini, sorry. See how beautiful it is, the restaurant. One more building with G+2 with several shops like Dyson, okay, Yamaha, Bose, iCoffee. Excellent. See the design, architecture, okay, layout, lighting, excellent. Everything is perfect for shoppers. It's a paradise for shoppers. Biggest electronic store, laptops, phones, TVs, mobile phones, smartphones. Going back to take Dubai Metro Red Line to Max Station to go to Dubai Frame. Then I will go to my hotel after that. See the beautiful skyline from this Dubai Metro link bridge, I can say, from Dubai Metro to Dubai shopping. Oh, now I can see tower, Burj Khalifa. I couldn't see from inside. Now I can see a beautiful Burj Khalifa. I am feeling now happy that I went up to 148th floor. You can see this is the main entrance of Dubai Mall from ground floor. And next to it is Burj Khalifa. Because both are owned by MR Properties. All these buildings, towers surrounding this Dubai Mall and Burj Khalifa owned by MR Properties. Back to Dubai Metro Red Line. What I have to do now? Go to Max Station, ticket office, automatic vending machines. So you can see timetable for metro stay, next trains. So I have to check where Max Station comes, in which line or which platform. Platform 1 or 2. So Max Station. Max is 21. So I have to go platform 1. This is metro station at at Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall. So I have to go to Max. Got down from this metro at Max Station. So I am going to Dubai Frame. So I came out of this Max Station, metro station, and see the beautiful buildings. Today the sky is a bit clear compared to yesterday. Maybe this is city center. Maybe there's less pollution here or less dust, maybe, I don't know. But it is very hot, maybe 46 degrees centigrade. So I'm just walking towards Dubai Frame, and that is the one attraction I want to do today. So then I have to take my lunch. So now it is almost like 4 p.m. Yeah, now I'm walking towards the flats in Dubai, Parkgate residences. They might be expensive, ultra luxury, because they are in heart of Dubai, close to Dubai Frame, close to Metro Max Station. So definitely they are in millions of dirhams. So this is the residential area I am visiting now today. It's looking beautiful, but it's very hot outside. So inside I can see palm trees and also construction going on. So construction everywhere in Dubai, because real estate is number one. It is booming here. one of my friend, my friend. So he's doing real estate. He's selling flats. So I want to meet him tomorrow, if possible, and visit some flats. I think this is the entrance. If I'm not wrong, I will just go and check. Oh, park entry tickets. You take tickets for this. This is for high ticket, 5 AED entry fees for this park. So I have taken ticket. I just spent some time in this beautiful park. This beautiful park, and security guard is from Islamabad, Rawalpindi. So everywhere Pakistanis. So and most of the youth from Pakistan, so who are not educated, so they are here, but working hard, very hard, working 7 days a week without any break, just living in a shared accommodation with so many people and just saving money and sending back to Pakistan. So that is very, very good, appreciated, very, very much appreciated. Even Indians, even Filipinos, like Malayalis, Tamils, I have met several people in Dubai. So all are working hard and they are contributing to Dubai's economy. That is, so I will just have something in the different. I'm having like 4 samosas for 10 dirhams, water bottle, cool 3 dirhams, and 1 tea 2 dirhams.